If you are renting and paying more than $900 a month, or you bring home $2,500 a month or more, you might be surprised. You could actually afford a home instead of renting. Let's talk real numbers today, because getting approved for a mortgage is one thing, but feeling comfortable with your monthly payment is another. I am Sean Osley, your realtor for the Shreveport, Bossier City area, and today, me and Liam are going to break down what actually makes up your mortgage payment. And I'll show you some real world examples from different price points right after this.
When you hear the word mortgage, it's not just the loan itself you're paying for. Your total monthly payment is made up of several parts. Principal, this is the amount you actually borrowed. Interest, the cost you pay to borrow the money. This is how the bank or lender earns a return on the money you borrowed. Taxes, property taxes paid to your local government. Homeowner's insurance, protects your home against damage or loss. HOA fees, if your home is in a neighborhood with a homeowners association, you will pay this fee. Fire fees, some areas, especially outside city limits, charge a small fire protection fee. Around the Shreveport area, this cost is normally less than $100. All of this adds up into your final monthly payment.
Let's look at some real numbers based on a 6.5% interest rate, which is a pretty average rate at the moment. Let's look at a home with a loan for $125,000. Your principal and interest will be $790. Your taxes and insurance will be $220 a month, with a total of $1,010 a month. Now, if you have an HOA, and let's say the HOA is $40 a month, then your payment is $1,050 a month. And if you stay outside the city, we're going to add a $10 a month fire fee. But if you're outside the city, you probably do not have an HOA. So now your monthly payment is $1,020 a month. If your home loan is $250,000, your principal and interest will be $1,580 a month. You can expect your taxes and insurance to be about $350 a month. With no HOA, your monthly mortgage will be $1,930 a month. With an HOA of about $60 a month, that brings your mortgage to $1,990 a month. Now, if we remove the HOA and add a $10 a month fire fee, your new mortgage payment monthly will be $1,940. In the Shreveport area, many homes are going for between $250,000 and $450,000. So we're going to look at a home for $375,000. If your loan amount is $375,000 for principal and interest, you can look at $2,370 a month. Taxes and insurance will be about $500 a month. And with no HOA, your monthly mortgage will be $2,870 a month. Now, let's add a $75 a month HOA, and your mortgage is now $2,945 a month. Removing the HOA and adding a $10 a month fire fee will now bring your mortgage payment to $2,880 a month. That's on a home loan of $375,000. And for our final example, we're going to look at a home loan for $650,000. For a loan for $650,000, your principal and interest will be $4,100 a month. Your taxes and insurance will be about $900 a month, bringing your total mortgage payment to $5,000 a month. With a $100 a month HOA fee, that brings that monthly payment to $5,100 a month. Now, if you stay outside the city limits with no HOA, plus an additional $10 a month fire fee, that brings your monthly payment to $5,010 a month if your home loan is $650,000.
As you can see, it's not just about what you're approved for. It's about what you're comfortable paying month after month. Sean had one buyer approved for $350,000, but once she saw the payment breakdown, she realized she was more comfortable around $220,000. Another couple stated $475,000 was their max, but once the numbers were ran, they decided $360,000 felt much better for their lifestyle and budget. Yet another buyer was approved for $250,000. However, stated that she wanted her payments to stay under $1,500 a month. With that information, the homes she saw were in the $150,000 to $170,000 price range. And that's perfectly okay. As your realtor, Sean's goal is to help you find not just a house, but the right home with the right monthly payment.
If you are ready to purchase a home, if you're ready to stop renting, if you're ready to move out and build a future, reach out to me today. I can help you understand the numbers before we start looking at homes. If you would like, you can go to my website, IamSeanOsley.com. It's in the description. Once you get to the website, go to the top right corner, click More, and then click Calculator. Once there, you can punch in your numbers to see how much home you can afford with how much you want for your monthly payment. I am Sean Osley, your realtor for the Shreveport Bossier City area.